Hello, welcome to another video of SSS Magic. Today we're going to see how to make a paper gun. This is a simple version. There are many other complicated versions. Our gun will look like this in the end. Today I am making it with newspaper. First you start with a paper roll which we have shown how to make in our previous video. The link is there in the description box for your reference. So you bend this roll a little bit, right about, I don't know, here. So it'll look in the shape of a gun. The side, this should be shorter than this one. So it's like that. Now we need to chop off a little bit. Spread it and then you can seal this. And then with this, we will need to create a sort of place to keep your hand in. So first we need to take the measurement, then we need to fix it, and then we need to glue and stick. So first we'll take the measurement. If you hit this, my hand will go in. So I have taken my measurement. Now I will add glue. Spread it and stick. And tada, our gun is ready. Thank you for watching our video.
We can make another model of the gun by using the same paper roll. Once we have the roll completed, divide it into half like this. Take another newspaper as this and keep on folding like this. Once you fold it like this, turn it, make a half of this in the center, then bend it slightly over here, bend it slightly over here so that it looks something like this. Turn this over, this should look something like this. Now take the paper roll and insert between these two areas as shown. As you can see, this is an interesting way of doing the gun. Hope you like this example of making a gun using the paper roll model. We will also share an example of a paper rolled basket that we have made using the paper rolling technique. Hello friends, today we are going to continue with our session on making art and crafts using recyclable newspaper. As you can see here, I have an old newspaper here, and following up from our previous video, we are going to first of all roll this into long shape. Yeah, if you can see my hand, I'm basically using my fingers and trying to roll this. This comes with a bit of practice. You can also use a pencil or a skewer or anything that you might find useful. But the best way to do this is indeed to roll this with your hands. It might take a bit of time, but with practice, you will eventually get to this stage. Once you complete the roll like this, you need to apply a bit of glue, either Fevicol or everyday glue. Apply it here, make sure you put the edges. Yeah. Once you do this here, you can roll it like this, right? For the purpose of this exercise, I've already made a few rolls. Yeah, we need to convert them into shapes such as these. The simple way to do this is basically take a pencil, take one of the rolls that you have just now created, go to the edge, and then just gently roll them as you can see them here. Do it for a few times. Once you get to a particular shape and size, take it out, and then just use your fingers to keep on rolling them over, over, and over, and over, and over, and over again. It can be a bit daunting at the beginning because it will not probably stick, but once you apply a bit of glue and practice, this will come through. Apply the glue and make sure you stick them. And this process will basically continue over and over again. So I'm going to show you the next one. Just take this one, keep it here, and then just keep on rolling. This will come with practice. Eventually, as the size of the circle increases, you will find that you require more and more papers to basically create this particular shape. But once you are able to get the hang of it, it will flow through quite nicely. The only thing that you need to be aware is make sure you apply proper glue, otherwise the, the model will come out. Therefore, it is important that you make sure that you put appropriate amount of glue, make sure it doesn't come out. Once you stick this, depending upon whatever model you have in mind, you will determine the size of which you need to make this. Here I have two sizes. Imagine you can make tires out of this for a vehicle that you might be constructing or any other model. Let me show you an example of how a big one can look like. Do you see the size? Imagine how many newspapers this must be, close to 50 odd newspapers. But I have made this with an intention of making a basket later on. But nevertheless, I just want to give you a bit of flavor of how big and how much time and effort it can take. Once we are through to understanding the basic shapes, what I want to show you today is to how to make a standing basket which looks like this. This is basically made up of number of pieces. You have straight lines here, then you have three compartments, and you basically make it stand. This can be used for keeping everyday items such as erasers, pencils, rubber bands, and it can be kept on your desk. We currently make it with plain paper, but you can also then use this to color with your watercolors or whatever you feel like coloring with. Very interesting because if you see, it's got a handle as well. You can put it here and make it stand. You can keep. It's got three compartments, and these are singular strips. And we showed you how to make the circle. What you do is once you make the circle, you can use your hand slightly to bend this like this. Show you this one. As you can see, this creates a bit of an shape. So similar to this handle over here. So this is an interesting exercise. Once you get a feel of how you start to do the paper rolling, and depending upon the size that you want to make, this can give you an interesting perspective of whether you want two compartments, three compartments, or four compartments. Please try making the paper rolls and let us know where you have difficulty. We will share the description of our other videos as well on paper roll models. Thank you for watching, and please do provide your comments and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.